Yo, what's good YouTube? Another day, another POV for y'all. It's a after rain POV. Maybe it's raining right now actually. Yeah, it's a little bit raining right now, so it's like a rainy POV, I guess, right? Type shit. And yeah, actually, hope y'all doing alright. Just enjoy this POV. I hope it's not that dark, like to the camera. But yeah, I'm gonna turn off the econ mode, right? Once I do a POV, because you know we ain't saving gas once we do a POV. We can't. You have to have a full experience. Yeah. Just turn it right here. This is a forest. So fucking nice. Looks amazing actually. Fountain. What do you mean? Why? Did my just turn the far lights? I don't know how is it called in English, but yeah. I'm gonna try not to push it to the limits, but you know, I'm gonna just drive a little bit, enjoy the ride. You'll enjoy the video. I'm gonna enjoy the ride. I don't know why is my windows like a little bit foggy. Yeah, it was a little bit foggy, not gonna lie. Now we're talking. Oh my god, this thing is fast today. I don't know why, if it's only for me or like for L2, but once it like gets dark outside, right? It just feels like the speed gets faster or so, if that makes sense, you know? Turn right here. Why is it so many stop signs? So many. my water, my bottle, right? Just dropped. I don't know why, but I can't do like this, right? Because my my wheel is a little bit like, I don't know why it's just like sliding, you know? I just can't like do this motion. Okay. I hope you're all enjoying this POV. Gonna wait. I'm just gonna roll the windows all the way. And yeah. Oh my god. This weather right now is just killing the vibe, the summer vibe. Just killing the vibe. People just looking weird at me once I have a camera on top of my head, you know, y'all can see. Just people look weird at you for some reason. Should I end the video right here? Nah, maybe I should. Maybe I know, guys. It was a nice looking place though. Not a place, like it's a car wash, but I mean the lights on top of them looks kind of nice. The LED lights. Fuck it. Just gonna put the econ mode. This just gonna end my vlog in a maybe in a parking lot or something. I'm gonna just do it right here and fuck it. Fuck it. And we're just gonna so all the way just go like this. I don't know why my brakes does that, but yeah. Yeah man. Hey man, say man. The end of the video. Hope you like it. Enjoy the POV videos. Subscribe to the video. Turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.